Ever wondered why some YouTubers seem to make a fortune while others barely scrape by? The secret might lie in YouTube's CPM. Now, what is this CPM we're talking about? CPM, or cost per mille, is a term used in online advertising to denote the cost of 1,000 advertisement impressions on a single web page. In simpler terms, it's the amount an advertiser pays for 1,000 views of their ad on YouTube. This is significant because the higher the CPM, the more money a content creator can potentially earn. It's like a game of numbers, where the higher your score, the higher your rewards. Keep in mind though, CPM is influenced by various factors such as the audience's location, the type of content, and even the time of year. Understanding CPM can help content creators maximize their earnings, but how does it vary around the globe? Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the world of YouTube CPM. Did you know that CPM rates can vary significantly from country to country? Yes, it's true. YouTube's cost per mille, or CPM, rates aren't standardized globally. They fluctuate based on the location of your audience. Let's dive into this geographical CPM roller coaster. We'll start with countries that typically have the highest CPM rates. These are generally developed countries such as the United States, Australia, Canada, United Kingdom, and Germany. These countries have higher CPM rates because they have robust economies, meaning advertisers are willing to pay more to reach consumers in these regions. For example, in the United States, the CPM rates are relatively high due to a strong advertising market. Advertisers are willing to pay a premium to get their message across to American consumers, who are known for their high purchasing power. On the other end of the spectrum, we have countries with lower CPM rates. These are typically developing countries, like many in Asia, Africa, and South America. The CPM rates are lower here because advertisers spend less to reach consumers in these regions. Take India, for instance. Despite having a massive population and a growing middle class, the CPM rates are relatively low. This is because the purchasing power of the average consumer is lower, and thus advertisers are less willing to pay a premium for ad placements. But why do these disparities exist? Well, it all boils down to the economic realities of each country. The purchasing power of consumers, the strength of the advertising market, and the overall economic health of a country play a significant role in determining CPM rates. So it's clear that where your audience is located can greatly affect your earnings. But what are the key takeaways about YouTube CPM? Well, understanding these geographical disparities can help you strategize your content to attract a more profitable audience. After all, YouTube is not just a platform for sharing your creativity, it's also a business. And in business, understanding your market is key to maximizing your earnings. Let's dive deeper into the world of YouTube CPM and uncover its main points. To begin with, CPM stands for cost per mille, or cost per thousand views. This is the amount an advertiser pays for 1,000 views of their ad on your YouTube video. Now, how is this calculated, you ask? Well, YouTube takes the total earnings from ads on your videos and divides it by the total number of views, then multiplies it by 1,000. This number is your CPM, and it's a key factor in determining your earnings. The higher your CPM, the more you earn per view. But here's the catch. CPM is not a fixed number. It varies greatly depending on several factors, including the country of your viewers. For instance, advertisers in countries like the United States, Canada, and the United Kingdom are generally willing to pay more for ad space, leading to higher CPM rates. On the other hand, countries with lower advertising budgets may have lower CPMs. This is why targeting the right audience is crucial. While it's great to have a global audience, if you want to maximize your CPM, you should aim for viewers in countries with higher advertising spends. But remember, CPM is just one part of the equation. Your earnings also depend on your video's view count and the type of ads displayed. Different types of ads have different CPM rates. For example, skippable video ads generally have lower CPMs than non-skippable ones. And let's not forget about YouTube's cut. YouTube takes a 45% cut of your ad revenue, which is factored into your CPM. So while you might see a high CPM, remember that a significant portion of that goes to YouTube. In conclusion, CPM is a complex metric that can greatly affect your earnings. It's influenced by several factors, including your audience's location, the type of ads on your videos, and YouTube's commission. Understanding these factors can help you strategically plan your content to maximize your earnings. So, armed with this knowledge, how can you increase your RPM and, in turn, your earnings? Increasing your RPM can seem challenging, but with the right strategies, it's certainly achievable. Let's dive into some actionable strategies to help you maximize your RPM. Firstly, focus on creating high-quality, engaging content. The more engaging your content, the more likely viewers are to watch your ads, and the higher your RPM will be. This means that your content should not only be visually appealing, but also carry a strong message or story that captivates your audience. Secondly, ensure that you're targeting the right audience. The demographic of your audience plays a significant role in determining your RPM. Advertisers are often willing to pay more for ads viewed by certain demographics. For instance, if your content appeals to an audience with a high purchasing power, advertisers might be more inclined to place higher bids on your videos, hence increasing your RPM. Next, optimizing your video SEO is vital. This involves using the right keywords in your title, description, and tags to increase your video's visibility in search results. The more your video appears in search results, the more views you'll get, leading to a higher RPM. Furthermore, consider monetizing your content with YouTube Premium. YouTube Premium users don't see ads, but you still earn revenue from their views. This can significantly boost your RPM as YouTube Premium views often generate more revenue than ad views. In addition, make use of YouTube's end screens and cards to promote your other videos. This can increase your overall channel views and, by extension, your RPM. Lastly, consistency is key. Regularly uploading videos can help you build a loyal audience and increase your views over time. More views mean more ad impressions, which can significantly boost your RPM. Remember, increasing your RPM isn't a one-time task, but a continuous process that requires time, effort, and persistence. By understanding and leveraging YouTube CPM, you can take your content creation to the next level. In the ever-changing landscape of YouTube, understanding CPM is more relevant than ever. Throughout our discussion, we've delved into the nuances of this crucial metric, highlighting its role in shaping your earnings from content creation. We've taken a global view, underscoring how CPM rates can fluctuate dramatically based on geography, with some countries boasting significantly higher rates than others. We've also explored actionable strategies to boost your RPM, from enhancing viewer engagement to optimizing your video content for better ad placements. But remember, these strategies are not a one-size-fits-all solution. They demand a keen understanding of your unique audience and a willingness to continuously learn and adapt. In the dynamic world of YouTube, standing still is not an option. Keep analyzing, keep experimenting, and keep growing. The potential for increased earnings is there, but it's up to you to grab hold of it. Remember, the key to success on YouTube is understanding your audience, leveraging your CPM, and continuously improving your content. Happy creating!